Navigating YouTube and Patreon. This video shows various ways of searching the contents of my YouTube channel via my website or from Patreon. By using these methods, it is simple and easy to find the videos that you want to watch. If you type the web address of my website into an internet browser, and that's always at the bottom of the screen, mainstream.co.uk, the home page for my website will pop up, and here it is. Please bear in mind that this is a video about my website and not my website for real, so clicking on any links of the video you're watching will not work. You will have to go to the live site to be able to navigate your way around it. There are plenty of interesting things to look at on my website, but if you're trying to find my video content, this is where you need to be, on the Keith Appleton's complete YouTube video playlist page. In this magnified image, you can see there are many titles, and if you click on any of these titles, it will take you to the relevant playlist. However, these playlists do not cover every video that I have on my channel, only the STEAM and general mechanical tutorial videos. Try having a click around the site to see what things do. This is the About Mainstream Models page, and if you click on the link, it shows more detailed information. This, for instance, is a page all about making a model steam launch. I used to sell this video series as a 3-DVD set over 5 hours of instructions, but now it's free to watch for my Patreon supporters who subscribe to the $5 a month or above tier. If you click on the For Sale button across the top, it will take you to this page. New and used models for sale, but these days I don't use this very much because if I want to sell something, I feature the item for sale as a video, and things sell very quickly. As my Patreon supporters see the advert video about 3 months before they go public on YouTube, and also automatically get a 10% discount, things sell very quickly. On the website is a fairly standard contact page. I would ask though, if you're going to send me an email about something, please read what it says. Please note that I do not offer a free model valuation service or free general advice. But this doesn't apply to my Patreon supporters. If you click on the button that says Keith's Pages, there are quite interesting things on there. And not just things about model steam engines, there's a My Workshop page and a Steam Chat page. There are many different things on the Steam Chat page, some sent in by viewers and others are just links to various videos on my channel. I also have quite a useful model aeroplanes section. I've been into radio-controlled model aircraft and control line before that for quite a lot of years. There is also a Hammond organ page. This is no longer available on DVD, this is an old screenshot. There are some extracts from this on my YouTube channel. And there's a Land Rover page. And as I write this on the 29th of September 2021, I'm thinking about buying another Land Rover to renovate. If you go to the front page of my YouTube channel and click on Library, which is the 4th button down on the left, a page will open up which shows you how many videos I have on the channel. And the number of videos I currently have on my YouTube channel is 1,770. By looking at my playlists, this is what you see. If you click on the playlist for Model Engineering for Beginners, you will get every video in the series. And the same with all the rest of the videos. This is the In the Workshop playlist, and there are quite a few videos here. And you can of course watch them back to back in a continuous stream. This is the public area of YouTube. This video is not an advert for Patreon. My reason for making this video is quite a few of my viewers are not young people. And even a few of my Patreon supporters tend to watch the videos on YouTube because they think it is easier to navigate on YouTube. This is not so. As a Patreon supporter, you need to get the best out of my channel. And the place to go is the Search Posts box, which is about halfway down on the right-hand side on the first page. By clicking on the number at the right-hand side, it opens this list. These are all the tags that I put on the video, and if you click on them, it will take you to a relevant video. By far the best and most accurate way to navigate is to type in what you want into the search box. I'm currently making a video called Making a Stuart Model Steam Plant, and if I type Stuart Model Steam Plant into the search post box, it brings up every video that is in the series. All you then have to do is scroll down the images until you find the one that you want. For instance, if you want to watch my series about the Simplex Prairie tank, here I've just typed Simplex Prairie into the search box and the entire series opens up. Had I have typed Simplex Prairie tank hyphen hash and a number, then I would have got the specific episode I was looking for. It's probably best just to use a generic search. For instance, if I want to watch a video about beam engines, I would type beam engine in the search post box. If I want to watch videos about Stuart beam engines, I would type Stuart beam engine into the search box. Or to take it one step further, if I want to look for Stuart major beam engines, the big one, I just type in Stuart major beam engine and up comes a video about a Stuart Models major beam engine, followed by the entire contents that are viewable if you are a Patreon supporter. All you have to do is scroll down the images. Live Steam is a very generic term, and if you type Live Steam into the search box, it will pick up anything where there is a tag for Live Steam. To save the time scrolling down hundreds of videos, you can sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. That is self-explanatory. Just click on the down arrow where it says oldest to newest. To further demonstrate just how easy it is to do this, if you want to see any videos about Stuart triple expansion engines, then simply type in Stuart Models Triple. You can't just type any word into this search box, it's got to be relevant. If you type something in that the search doesn't recognise, it throws up this image. I typed in Hammond organ because on my channel I have a lot of Hammond organ videos, but they're not featured on Patreon. Don't forget, whether you're a Patreon supporter or not, you can go to my channel page and type whatever you want into the search on there. Here I've typed Hammond organ. And this is what I got. All the Hammond organ videos on my channel, quite a lot of them. All you have to do is use the search boxes, whether it be in Patreon if you're a Patreon supporter, or if you're not, in YouTube, and you get to the videos that you want to see. You can choose from 1,770. I still make a video almost every day for my Patreon supporters, some of which become public on YouTube in the fullness of time. All that's left to say is stay healthy, thanks for watching, and I hope that you've found this video helpful. It's a lot easier than it first appears. Please take the time to visit my main Steam Models website and click on the section of the website that says Video Playlists. And by doing that, you can find other videos that you may like to watch. And by using the playlists, you can actually watch the videos back to back.